is so minute, some of the problems that we have in this town. In fact, I'm going to read this letter, because I am going to read it.
Hang on, Mayor.
No.
No.
City affairs, to whom it may concern.
Mayor.
I'm writing a letter to advise you of my decision and to resign as mayor of City Affairs, Texas, effective immediately. There are a number of factors that contribute to my decision. For one, the city is not moving in the forward direction that I hoped it would. It was up until 6 months ago. In my opinion, there's too much micromanagement involved in the day-to-day operations, and in addition, there have been major changes in my personal life in the past year that's leaving less time for me to devote to my position here. It has been a pleasure to serve the City Affairs as mayor for the past 3 years and as a member of the City Council for 3 years prior to that. I feel, however, it is in the best interest of everyone involved if I step down at this time.
Thank you, Mayor.
All right, David.